Customer service, which is an essential cornerstone of the Amazon matrix, helps you become a more successful seller. Customer service, when it's good, it improves your business. But when it's bad, it might lead your account to being deactivated on Amazon. As a business owner myself and a perfectionist, it is almost impossible to get things right when it comes to customer service each and every time. But in this video, I'll be showing you the customer service metrics that you need to be focused on Amazon in order to avoid getting suspended. Amazon evaluates your customer metrics as well as your seller feedback to determine your rating as a seller. Having a good seller rating will, number one, improve your chances of winning the buy box. Number two, improve your chances of your products being ranked organically on Amazon. Whereas having bad customer rating will definitely or might lead to your account getting suspended, which is definitely something that you want to avoid. Welcome to episode 3 of Amazon Decoded, the special series right here on our YouTube channel. Amazon Decoded is a series that goes through all of the technical details of selling on Amazon. If you missed episode 1 and episode 2, I'll leave the playlist linked in the description box of this video. Go ahead and check them out right now. And make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss another video. And leave me a comment in the comment section below. What details or what information would you like me to talk about on the series and on the channel? So how do you improve your seller metrics as an Amazon seller and avoid your account getting suspended? Number one, order defect rate. This needs to be, the target is less than 1%. The order defect rate directly affects your account health, and the metrics are very important for you to monitor. So the order defect rate affects your overall account health. And as you can see here, the target needs to be under 1%. Three main factors affect your order defect rate. First of all, the negative feedback, then the A to Z guarantee claims, and then the chargeback claims. So any one of those will affect the order defect rate and will affect your Amazon store. Remember that having a high order defect rate, a bad order defect rate might affect your account of being suspended. Number two, pre-cancellation rate. Amazon has a policy where they don't like sellers canceling orders before they are fulfilled. Now hold on, if you are not an Amazon FBA seller, then this metric does not apply to you. However, if you are doing FBM or fulfillment by merchant, meaning you are delivering the products over to the customer, so you are in charge of this fulfillment and order cancellation and all of that, then this is a very essential metric for you to focus on. Your pre-fulfillment cancellation rate needs to be under 2.5%. If you click here, you'll understand a little bit more. And your late dispatch rate needs to be under 4%. Again, I want to remind you that these two metrics are things that you only focus on if you're doing FBM, whereas if you're doing FBA, Amazon is taking care of all of this. So there's no risk of you having any target under 2.5% or under 4%. Again, that's only if you are doing FBM. Now on to number 3, policy compliance. Amazon really works hard to provide a safe marketplace to buyers and a fair marketplace to sellers. They have a whole list of policies. I would suggest that you go through each and every policy so that you can understand them and make sure that you are not breaking any of Amazon's rules and regulations. At the end of the day, this is their marketplace and we have to adhere by the rules. But I find that some sellers don't actually even know these policies. So it's very important for you to familiarize yourself, and you'll find them in your account health dashboard. And finally, number 4 is contact response time. Customers on Amazon will be reaching out to you as a seller and asking you questions about the product, or even maybe requesting invoices through the buyer-seller messaging system on Amazon. Amazon does want us and does push us as sellers to answer these messages as soon as possible. Definitely your target should be to answer all messages under 24 hours. However, there are a lot of metrics for you to follow up, for you to see what your response time is, and if that is actually affecting your account health. We're in the messaging or messages dashboard where you can go ahead and check all of the inbox messages that you're getting from customers. Amazon will also notify you if you're not hitting the target of 24 hours and if you immediately need to respond to the client or anything like that. Right now, the messaging dashboard is completely empty. There are no messages that require us to respond to, but this is where you would be responding to those messages. Now, let me show you something else. Let's click on more and let's click on messaging metrics. So as you can see, this is where you see your metrics as to how you're doing with your average response time. This way you can understand whether you are hitting the targets or not, and if any improvements need to be done in the future. The easiest way to ensure that your response time is quick is to make sure that your Amazon email, your main seller email, is always active. Make sure that you get those emails directly, because obviously Amazon will notify you by email on your Amazon seller email that you have a message. So if you need to make sure that you're constantly checking that email so that you can respond back to customers as fast as possible. Don't forget to share this video with like-minded people so that we can grow our community in the Middle East. And I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.